Hello, and welcome to today's English Learning Podcast.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy you're here to practice English with us.
In this episode, we will focus on everyday English conversation.
These sentences are simple and useful for daily life.
Let's begin with greetings.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. How about you?
I slept late, but I feel okay.
Let's practice introductions.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. And you?
I'm from Canada.
That's great. I'd love to visit one day.
Now let's practice asking about daily activities.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Then I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
After that, I go to work or school.
What about you?
I wake up early and go for a walk.
Then I check my emails and get ready for work.
Let's practice some polite expressions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Can you please repeat that?
Yes, of course. I'll say it again.
Let's talk about shopping.
How much does this cost?
It costs $5.
That's a little expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, this one is only $3.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
Now let's practice at a restaurant.
I'd like to order a chicken sandwich, please.
Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Great job! You just practiced 50 everyday English sentences for fluency.